Sirikal kaunti ma Nyamira ochako chenro mar pogo yath ka gitiyo gi masinde mafuyo mong'ere kaka drone. Drone mantiere gi nyalo mar ting'o osigo madirom kilo 3 ibiro tiyo godo e pogo yath, chwalo remo kod kowo chanjo e kor gwenge ma Nyamira. Drones go eko bende biro konyo e chwalo gige moko mag thieth madwarore aruya e chenro mageno kelo fuong'ruok e keyo yiedhe ute mag thieth mantie Nyamira. Nyamira e kaunti mar 2 kaluwo kaunti ma Kisumu gitiyo gi lony ma kamano, ka bende kaunti no ero koro rwako lony manyien no.
Tuliona hii Rwanda inafanya kazi mzuri sana, na walikuwa wamefanya hiyo kazi siku mingi, kwa sababu unaweza pata mama anapata mtoto hapa, lakini blood group yake inakosa. Hakuna Gichauri, hakuna Nyamira. So ndio tunaweka drone, inachukua 55 minutes kutoka Chemiri, inaleta damu hapa, mtu anaokolewa. Sio ng'ombe peke yake. Hii ni launch tumeleta hapa. Mgonjwa ataweza kuwa wakeroka, hata Wanyamira, au sehemu yoyote ya kaunti ya Nyamira.
For the next 3 months, it will be proof of concept. And after 3 months, we'll enter into a commercial agreement of how we'll be paying for the flights as they come.
You find that some facilities cannot even store blood, they cannot store vaccines, and this is because they have challenges of storage, whether it's electricity, whether it's even the gadgets themselves, let's say the fridges. So we support them in that, strengthening the health system in that regard. The other advantage for using zipline services for the counties is to ensure that there are no wastages. You realize, because people do not really trust, the system of last mile supply, they never know when next they will get their next order. So they tend to order more than they need at an expense of another facility that will actually need that what they have in their stores. So you find wastages of blood, wastages of other products are reduced because people will only order that which they need.